My childhood dream is to become a professional doctor. The challenges which I faced during my childhood in order to achieve my dream. The first challenge is lack of education. My parents, they don't know maybe the importance of the education is.
Hello, we are Voice of Calling. To start off, let me give a brief introduction about our organization. Voice of Calling is a vibrant organization made up of young computer scientists dedicated to bringing computer science education to those who need it most. Our mission is simple yet powerful. We listen, we go, and we work.
In the initial stages of development for our organization, our members created lectures to teach young students about computer science. As we grew, we held online seasonal coding camps for young members in our society so that they may be exposed to the fascinating world of computer science. We also collected computer parts to send to Africa in order to provide exposure to computer science to the children in the regions.
Our first service project in Tanzania was at the Dolphin Smart Daycare. Using the tablets we sent, the daycare earned the name of Smart Daycare because of the state-of-the-art approach to educating Tanzanian children. Here, children are able to introduce themselves in English, sing songs, and tackle simple math problems, all with joy and enthusiasm for learning.
More recently, we've launched a project called Future of Tanzania, where we've had the opportunity to teach Python and machine learning to Tanzanian students online in cooperation with E3 Empower in Tanzania, which has been held for 4 seasons so far. Graduates of the Future of Tanzania program have secured internships for a major ICT project teaching fellow elementary, middle, and high school students in their local community. The interns are engaged in the Zurich Foundation SEP program by Junior Achievement Africa in Arusha, signifying a significant progression in youth empowerment, especially within computer science.
For the upcoming 2024-2025 year, we are planning to take on a series of new projects. First, this year, we're planning to travel to Tanzania for a 5th season of Future of Tanzania to teach coding directly to high school students, creating a richer, hands-on learning experience. For all future seasons of Future of Tanzania, we plan to make them all in-person experiences.
Along with that, we'll be teaching English, math, and science to the children at Dolphin Smart Daycare. We'll be taking a lot of the study materials on external hard drives so we can install them in the devices used in Tanzania, and we truly hope this will enhance the education of children in this daycare.
Next, we're planning to enhance a project called Voice of Books, where we will create a website filled with a variety of children's books in various languages so that children from all around the world can access these books. With Read Out Loud features, children everywhere will be able to easily enjoy and understand the stories.
To make these projects an enormous success, we need your help. Whether it's unused computer parts, devices like tablets and computers lying at home, or monetary donations, every contribution matters.
We sincerely hope that you will take the time to consider donating to our projects. Every small contribution can make a huge difference in the lives of these people. Despite the challenging times that we as individuals are going through, it's important not to lose sight of how blessed we are to have the ability to help and give to those who may not be as fortunate as we are. With love as our guiding principle, we can make a difference in the world. Thank you for listening and for being a part of this journey with us. Together, we can transform lives.